How to lock a card on Chase app. This will be a step-by-step 2025 guide. First, open up the Chase mobile app, launch the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store and then sign into your account using your credentials. Then select your credit card or debit card once logged in. Tap on the accounts to see all your Chase accounts and cards. Select the specific credit or debit card you want to lock. Access the card settings. After selecting the card, tap on Manage Card option or card settings. This will open up various options related to your card. Tap on Lock or Unlock Card in the card setting menu. You will see an option to lock/unlock a card. Tap this option and then lock your card. Once you tap on Lock, a confirmation screen will appear asking you to confirm your action. Tap Lock Card again to proceed, then confirm lock. After locking your card, you'll receive a notification confirming that the card has been successfully locked. Your card will now be temporarily disabled for purchases both online and in-store. Then review your locked card. To ensure your card is locked, you can check the account details screen. It will indicate that your card is locked and you will not be able to make any purchases until you unlock it. If this video helped, subscribe.